Fenders.
Man, the engine bay is just beautiful.
Thank
I mean, super, super clean.
Thank you.
Yeah, a lot of attention to detail.
6 years.
6 years, wow. I can see it.
Took me 80 hours just to bring the bumpers in a 1/4 inch.
Wow, 80 hours
Yeah, just
for
to
a
do
1/4
that.
inch.
For a 1/4 inch.
That's what separates, you know, really, really good builds from guys that rush the process.
Or insanity.
Right? Insanity, that's true, that's true. I hear you there. The stance on the car is unbelievable.
Thank you.
I mean, absolutely unbelievable.
I think that was the most important thing to me.
You can tell.
That
the
was,
finished
it had
product.
to sit right, otherwise it wasn't worth it.
I bet it's a blast to drive, too.
It's fun.
That's a lot of horsepower in a pretty small chassis.
It makes about 5 1/4.
Oh,
So it goes.
That's awesome.
A lot of fun, a lot of fun.
That is awesome. Hey, man, well, congratulations
Thanks,
on the car.
Thanks for having me, man. It was
Beautiful
excellent.
car, man.
Thank
Beautiful
you,
car.
thank you.